Welcome to tip 5 of career comeback. Now, you have prepared your resume and you have to prepare for the interview as well. You might be very confused and not so confident about how to answer the interview question, and the solution to that is in preparedness. You need to be prepared with all the questions, and it's not that difficult. And trust me, you can take help of different AIs. You can research the company and just practice the common interview question, and you need to showcase your passion that you are ready to shine. Stay tuned for more tips.